of Rotary lies in simple acts of kindness that leaves lasting impressions and creates moments of joy, hope, and healing. Remember when we first started brainstorming ideas for the track club this year?
It felt like we were dreaming big, but look at how far we've come together. It's proof that when we unite, we can accomplish anything.
Giving underprivileged children the gift of education was about opening doors to opportunities they never had before. I still remember when we were planning the library,
how we dreamt of creating a space where they could learn, imagine, and grow. The hard work poured into every detail showed the magic of the shared purpose. Now, seeing those children lost in books and sharing ideas, I know we built a future full of hope together.
It wasn't just about creating a space for them to learn, but also ensuring they had mental and emotional tools to thrive. Raising awareness about mental health through Nukkad Nataks, our stress relief webinars during the exams, wasn't just about tips and facts, they were about giving them a moment to breathe.
Hosting the Scars to Stars event felt like a dream, but its impact was deeply heartfelt.
Namaste, everybody.
Meeting brave
Welcome.
acid attack survivors showed us true empowerment, transforming pain into strength. Miss Universe Great Britain and the Sisterhood team's visit added powerful solidarity and support to the cause.
I'll never forget the pad manufacturing and donation drive. When we visited those schools and spoke to the girls about menstrual hygiene, it felt like we were giving them more than just pads. We were giving them freedom and confidence.
from making the pads together to seeing their faces light up with gratitude. Those smiles were everything.
Who could forget the plantation rallies? Planting saplings, setting up rainwater harvesting systems, and creating planters out of plastic bottles. It all felt like nurturing home.
Definitely, together we can make it even bigger.